All right. One. Let me just double check my mic. How's it going? One. One. Alrighty then. Am I live? Chat, drop some emojis if you think I'm live. Just double checking. What? Alrighty then. So this is my second live video. The first one back in the days was just a test. And in this live, I would like to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. What is going on with these two big boys? So, all right, gather around. Let me just share this live with my community. All right. Wanted to ask if you can buy whale room access with crypto. No. No. It is legit access with a fiat. All right. With a fiat. All right. We are live. All right. All right. All right. All right. So what is going on with the Bitcoin? Let's just start talking step by step. For those who are going to join later, they can always watch this live in the live section on my YouTube's channel. So first things first, I've been looking forward for this previous swing high to be broken. And that's what happened That's what happened with the Bitcoin. Of course, we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Then we're going to jump on, we're going to talk with Ethereum. Of course, this back money flow indicator, I'm preparing for you a video about top 10, let's just say top 5, top 10 indicators where you can spot and identify divergence. So, all right. So the Bitcoin was respecting this ascending trend line together with this one. Of course, this one on the back one, it is from the weekly time frame, so don't mind that. We were looking and keeping our eyes on this daily ascending trend line. For those who are saying that trend lines don't work, they do work in the crypto market, so stop it. And of course, my expectations was to see a pullback at around this demand level. It didn't happen, of course, because of this pullback, small pullback. After this pullback, movement to the upside. If we were retesting my demand zone, that would mean that we are breaking the structure and creating a lower low. So it didn't happen. Of course, you can name this whole after this impulsive movement like a fair value gap. So, well, you can call it however you want, but still, I was looking and keeping my eyes on this potential simulated another descending channel. And of course, after this breakout, all right, movement to the downside, retested this demand or fair value gap, broke the previous swing high, beautiful, and Bitcoin right now is sitting at around 71.5K, which is awesome, and my expectations are to retest, or let's just say to find a new all-time highs at around $76,000 per coin. But we'll see. This is just a, let's just say, educational guess, because, all right, the next all-time high set around 74.2-ish, something like that. This two lines represent 250 EMA. That usually works as a support and resistance. And this 50-day EMA moves all the way to the upside together with the price. So my expectations are, to see beautiful connected and retested at around here. Still, pullback, a small pullback is a possible scenario. We have to keep our eyes on those higher lows to keep that bullish momentum. And these are my simple expectations on the Bitcoin in the upcoming days or weeks, because we all know that election is coming and we'll see how that plays out. So keep an eye on these 250 EMAs. Of course, still, it is a possible scenario to retest this ascending trend line that works as a support. And my expectations are to see Bitcoin doing something like this. Of course, I'm going to quickly remove this one. I'm going to try to multitask and see your questions and what is up. All right, this is my first time, so please be kind. No, I won't start adding XRP to my Telegram updates because I don't like watching those coins who are sitting at some kind of lawsuits, like what, 4 or 5 years straight. So I'm not interested in that project. What else do you have? Oh my God. All right, so let's just jump back to Bitcoin. So my expectations are keep your eyes on the Bitcoin charts together with this 50 EMA. Let's just call it like a support. So yeah, pullback, it is a possible scenario. If the bullish momentum continues, we're going to create a higher low, higher low, higher low. And my expectations to explore new all-time high territories at around $76,000 per Bitcoin. So these are my expectations. That's pretty much it, the Bitcoin. Let's jump on Ethereum. I gave you a call on Ethereum because well, where's my Ethereum charts? My Ethereum, I was trying to catch those potential bottoms. Of course, we broke this 50 EMA. Right now, going towards to retest 200 EMA. It works, let's just say, as a resistance at this point. And my expectation, all right, let's just say the first target was reached. So reward yourself if you're trading with with a huge amount of leverage. So yeah, my expectation is retest this potential ascending triangle pattern. And after a clean breakout, together with a beautiful, look how beautifully it connects with a 200 EMA. If we after a clean breakout through this EMA, the price after a clean breakout could be sent to around this golden zone at around 3.1k. My expectations was to retest in the near future $3,000. I'm a heavy on Ethereum, so sorry for those who don't like Ethereum, but still I believe that Ethereum has a purpose in the crypto ecosystem. And so yeah, these are my expectations. Potential ascending triangle pattern. Boom, maybe a small pullback. And then after a clean breakout, please, goddammit, please send Ethereum to its all-time highs. Because Ethereum didn't reach its all-time highs, Bitcoin did. So we'll see how this whole setup play out. All right, so what do we have? Well, that's the interesting one. How do you find levels when we are in price discovery? I'm using Fibonacci extension, this one. But, well, it depends. When we are in our new all-time highs and exploring new all-time high territories. So yeah, sometimes I'm using this tool, but for example, on the Bitcoin, I'm trying to simulate based on this another descending channel. I got this strategy back in the days. I saw one trader was talking about this strategy and I backtested, and it was works super cool and super clean. Well, of course, nothing in trading is guaranteed, only about probabilities. So after drawing this descending trend line, descending channel, I'm just simply copying and dragging his ass to the top, and it's like a simulation base where the price could settle at around, for example, that's what I'm aiming at, around $76,000 per Bitcoin, at around this potential supply zone at the mid-range. And then after a clean breakout, maybe if we're gonna beat this mid-range, but of course always secure gains, so at around the top of this channel. So yeah, I'm using Fibonacci tool at around what is like trend-based Fibonacci extension. So you're back, I'm gonna make a whole video about this indicator. I already did about Fibonacci retracement, how we're like finding potential supply and demand, support, resistance, those golden zones and discounted zones. So for those who haven't seen it, go check it out. Super cool. Drop a like. And yeah, so I'm using this Fibonacci tool, and when the price is like in this massive descending channel, I'm simulating based on the second potential simulated, like it's like educational guess, I believe so. So yeah, but no one knows. So that's what I'm trying to catch, those bottoms and securing my gains if I'm in the trade every single time. So yeah, let's jump back into Ethereum. All right, Ethereum is pumping. Oh my God. All right, can you show me where that descending channel on the Bitcoin chart is located on a trading view? Oh, are you talking about this descending channel when we try to connect after connecting our lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and connecting our lower lows. We're talking about this one. Well, the tool is basically the what? Channels tool. Are you talking about this one? If you're talking about this one, so I already explained it to you. Yes. So simply go to your drawings panels. Where is that? Because I made my own panels, so right now it's hard for me to find, but it is around here. Parallel blah, 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 channel. So go explore trading view, make your own drawings panel. If you're using those tools very often, so I suggest you to add to your favorite ones and have the whole section, the whole line of those tools. What are you using the most? What else do we have? Miria. All right, let's jump back to Ethereum. And of course, for those people who are in my newsletter list, I'm going to share it with you and I'm going to send my whole, let's just say, bull market's exit plan. For example, on those altcoins, I'm trying to just double my investment and then reinvest into those big boys and where I'm planning to sell everything, for example. So yeah, I'm gonna announce it today. For those who want to join, it's absolutely free. Just simply subscribe with your email and get a notifications, I don't know, every single Monday, or let's just say once every month. Time frames in crypto. Of course, we're going to discuss everything about crypto today. We're not going to touch a forex. Crypto, I'm starting to look everything on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, remember guys, all the juices are on the bigger time frame. So I'm always starting on the daily time frame on this one. Starting on the daily time frame, because look how beautifully everything connects on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is the bomb. All the juices, all the money flow, if you're tracking everything, the best confirmation is on the daily time frame. So if I'm taking those quick swings, I'm using 4-hour time frame on crypto. Forex, that's a different story, but still we're talking about crypto, daily 4-hour time frame, sometimes 8. Sometimes thank you, Kirill. Is that the real name? Thank you. I'm trying to do my best. And accuracy. That's because I'm using daily time frames. So, and of course, we took a whole 2-3 months. And of course, during the summer, we were waited for those nice and juicy setups to, I don't know, the price on those altcoins and everywhere to settle down a little bit and to form something for us. Those juicy, nice setup. Is that like a falling wedge pattern or ascending triangle pattern on those daily time frames? So we were focusing on that, and that is what we had, why we have this nice and high percent accuracy. Let's just say that. I don't know how to express myself, but what I have, what, guys. All right, thank you. Well, Kirill, here's the thing that if you're trade more, doesn't mean you're gonna be more profitable. So that's where I'm in the crypto ecosystem. I'm choosing daily time frame, not those small time frames. Of course, you can use 1 hour time frame, 2, 3, 4 on the Bitcoin, on those big boys like Ethereum, but on those lower cap coins, hell no, hell no. For those who are trading, I don't know, on the 15-minute time frame, oh my god. In the long run, you're gonna get wrecked. That's for sure. In the long run, you're gonna get wrecked. And don't trust any of my words. Just go test it out. Maybe you are a pro, I don't know, and try to swing on those slower time frames. So maybe you are one of the million. And yeah, guys, don't push my private community, the whale room, because yeah, we do lose some trades in the whale room. That's a normal thing, for example. And of course, I have to make an announcement. If we're trading those lower cap coins, please guys, set up your own stop losses, because few trades in the past, I saw that my stop losses were triggered at exactly price level, at the dollar accuracy, the price level. So when there's a tons of people who are copying me, we creating those liquidity pools if we're setting up the same stop losses. So that would be very nice from your side that you like create your own stop loss, set it up your own stop losses. All right, what do we have now? LDO, you know what? Your wish is my command. Let's take a look. I don't know. Spot. What is up with this little one? All right, money flow and everything looks a little bit choppy. Let's just see what is up with the LDO, if I'm pronouncing correctly. All right, 50 EMA, 50 days moving average, 200. On a daily time frame, what do we have? I can see that LDO is like at its lowest points, if I'm not gonna calculate this one. Let's try to connect all of those dots. I'm not gonna give you a call on this one. I'm just simply analyze, do your own research. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong, who knows? I need to do more research on this one. All right, what do we have? Look, beautifully connected with a 200 EMA, this red line. I'm just trying to read comments and do this analysis. Well, all right, let's just stick to analysis. All right, we're creating a higher lows. It looks a little bit the same as Ethereum. Look, beautiful key level at around 1.42. Or should I say, yeah, 1.4 per share, per coin. And yeah, there's a probability right now to go above this 50-day moving average at least retest this key level. Of course, I'm gonna take a bigger chunk. This is just like a massive supply or resistance zone. Bro, do gold analysis. Hold on. Gold. I abandoned gold because gold is at its all-time highs. And I don't know where it's gonna settle. And because of the whole situation in the world, the war and everything, I don't know where the gold is gonna settle. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna go like to this all-time highs. I mean, even higher to explore its new all-time high territories. I have no idea. You can simply, I don't know, start to long gold at every single demand that you can identify at this point. So yeah, this is a possible scenario on LDO. Higher high, higher high, lower highs, lower highs. Yeah, there's like a probability to retest that around. And to experience a clean breakout, we are on this small uptrend. What do I see on the money flow? Institutions and whales are investing. Of course, this one is a cool indicator. I'm gonna make the whole video. I found this one guy is using this indicator, and I'm always like trying to explore new indicators with a better accuracy, having all those indicators, the money flow, the retail traders, those lines on the red one, and the white money flow, it represents the big institutions and whales. So it's a pretty cool indicator. I'm going to explore this, and I'm going to make the whole video in the future. Of course, I'm still backtesting, but I like to see, I was looking for something choppy to identify those potential diversions. For example, here, the money flow is going up, but those lows, even lower low, and then the price went all the way to the downside after this potential divergence. So yeah. All right. So who was asking about LDO? Here you have it. I don't know if it plays out, but after a clean breakout, of course, there's a probability to see a movement to the upside. And of course, how from its previous highs, how much did we drop? At around negative 78%. So it's enough, I believe so. Indicator would you say are the most helpful? Which indicators would you say are the most helpful and accurate? I'm looking for the right answer. For me, I'm always using something on the bottom that could paint me the whole picture, what is going on in the market at the current moment. And of course, whenever I'm opening a new indicator, I'm always backtested. I'm seeing how it works. And of course, for most helpful, I have no idea which indicator could be the most helpful and accurate. I believe so. This one is very accurate. Just hold on. I'm gonna announce in the next video. I'm gonna make the whole video, like I mentioned to you before, about divergence, about the money flow. So this one looks pretty accurate. Look at this previous wick. The money flow reverse tries to climb up towards the upside with this low. This is pretty much pretty accurate. Of course, you can use, if you're a beginner, you can always use like 50, 200 EMAs to identify those potential support, resistance levels. One of my friend, my favorite ones, my friend was like 5-6 years ago. He did a back testing with a Ichimoku cloud indicator, and it beautifully represents, if you know how to set it up, it beautifully represents support and resistance, those big ass waves of the, support and resistance. And whenever, for example, the price touches that cloud, there's a probability for us to see a movement to the downside, and of course in the other way. And yeah, so I don't know, you can try that. That was my favorite indicator at one, but right now crypto is more competitive market than it was, so I don't know if that works anymore. But still, indicators has a delay, so I'm always exploring new indicators with the better accuracy having indicators. I'm always exploring it. I'm always searching for something new, because at the end of the day, it has to help me in my trading journey. You get what I'm saying. So it has to help in my trading journey. I'm always looking for those indicators. Yeah, this one is pretty accurate. That's pretty much it. AVAX. All right. Shit. Oh, sorry. by accident clicked on AVAX. Every single coin, every single altcoin are forming pretty much, majority of them are forming exactly the same thing. AVAX, LDO, Ethereum. So everywhere I go, all I'm seeing that potential, beautiful key level, of course. I cannot say it's a fake out, but pump rejected 200 EMA. AVAX, what is going on with AVAX? I'm just simply analyze all the coins. It doesn't mean I'm gonna trade it. So do your own research. This is not financial advice, guys. So this 50-day and 200 EMA represents the whole, let's just say the whole gap. The whole gap between, I don't know, the supply zone and with a good and nice risk reward ratio. Oh, we didn't create a, or did we? Hold on, need to zoom in. Like, we didn't create a lower low, so it's like an equal bottom in my eyes. I don't know how about you, but yeah. Again, there's a probability for us. We still have to see something bullish in those coins because we're all bullish. So we have to see, to identify something bullish. And there's a lot of bullish stuff. There's a lot of bullish momentum right now. Higher lows, even a higher low, because I cannot see that. Well, it depends on the Coinbase right now, but maybe on the different exchange it shows the different price. But still, with this wick, we didn't create a lower low. And yeah, there's a probability again. Right now, the price is compressing and squeezing in some kind of, I don't know, you can call it symmetrical triangle. I don't like triangles. I'm just looking at this one. So retest at around this one is a very high probability, 29, but of course, like $2 away, $2-3 away, 28, 29. Yeah, and after a clean breakout, if the price closes above this whole resistance, yeah, there's a, I mean, AVAX, it is a very, I mean, I'm bullish on AVAX. Everyone is bullish on AVAX because, let's face it, this is a gaming coin. So a lot of hopes on this project. But my goal and my trading plan on those altcoins, if I'm not calculating those big boys, Ethereum and Bitcoin, I'm always just trying to double my investment. After doubling my investment, after I'm seeing that 100% rally, I'm securing my gains. I've seen a lot through those previous bull rallies. I've seen a lot of like good projects are going down straight to zero. For example, in general, let's face it, Luna was a solid project. Exchange, FTX, everything was like big. That massive community, and of course in the crypto we're looking on those massive communities that could push the price to the upside as well. So a lot of good projects went to, I don't know, to zero, crash, or right now sitting at the lowest points. Matic, what is going on with Matic? I gave a call on Matic. I announced clearly, if you only believe in this project, there's a there's a good levels to buy if you believe in this project because it's sitting at its lowest points. And what Matic does, nothing, absolutely nothing. Everyone's bullish on XRP. What XRP is doing? Nothing. So, all right, my mouse is. If this live video is gonna go pretty well, I'm gonna build my own PC because I'm using my MacBook and it's clearly lagging. So we'll see how much time do we have until this whole laptop is gonna set up on fire. My thoughts on the room, but we were talking about AVAX. Someone was asking me about Caspa. For those all right. Oh, sorry. All right, let's open this on spot. Oh my god, it's previous messy analysis. All right. It looks bearish. It clearly looks bearish right now. We have the cross on the 250 MAs. So it looks bearish, but still, you can keep an eye on those descending trend lines. I mean, it's like right now, clearly in the descending trend, but I have zero thoughts. I haven't been invested in Caspa. I haven't. I didn't. And it looks choppy. I have zero thoughts on Caspa. Look, every single time. Descending trend. Boom, after a clean breakout, movement to the upside. So keep an eye on the other one, on the third one. Ascending trend after a clean breakout. Boom, breakdown to be more accurate. Yeah. Now, what do we have? Previous potential support, key level at around 0.09. Yeah. So I have zero thoughts on this one. Maybe there's a probability right now to retest at around here. We already did, so keep an eye, but after breakdown, we can clearly like retest 0.09-ish, something like that. So still, everything is bearish, but if you're bullish on this one, so you need to try to catch those potential bottoms. And I suggest you to keep an eye on that descending trend. So maybe something like, I'm not going to be that accurate on the coin that I have zero thoughts and like zero fundamental analysis. I have to do my research on this one. So, but according to the market structure, I would wait for the market to settle down a little bit, because this is just like a free fall, of course, for those who are bears. Nice supply zone, boom, short position. It is a possible scenario as well. Everything is possible. You were asking about Vchain, so hold on. Trying to and look at those divergence. Look at the previous, those 3 peaks. 1 at around here, money flow. 2, even lower one, and of course we have a higher price, but the money flow didn't reach even the previous one peaks. So it's still a possible divergence. Even here, 1, 2, 1, 2, price went all the way to the downside. Am I seeing that potential divergence on the money flow right here when we are like in a free fall? Nope. So I would wait for you to wait for the market to settle down to form something for us. Maybe it's going to form another ascending like force, FOMO pattern, triangle ascending. So if I would like trading, I believe that you're an investor and you're a hodler. So maybe you're panicking right now, but if I were a trader, if I were you, and I would trading only these type of coins, so I will wait for the market to form something for me. Yeah. Where's my coffee? I was talking about Vchain. He was talking about Vchain. All right, whatever this one. All right, what is up with the Vchain? Vchain. Weekly time frame. I'm gonna go with the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I was looking on the Vchain because I have some Vchain coins, tokens. I have some Vchain tokens that I bought earlier. And what do I see right now? I see that the money flow is going up. Money flow is going up. Big players and institutions, if this information is not misleading me. So it's still probability. I mean, on the bigger picture, all I'm seeing the Vchain can do it like this. But look at the previous rally. And this is a theory on most of those altcoins. That's what I'm trying to play safe and try to, I don't know, take my money whenever I'm reaching that 100% gains. So look at the previous rally. All right. Bear market. What if this is like our top? What if this is our top and there will be like another bear market for the Vchain? Who knows? But still, in general, what I wanted to say is that we have this theory that most of those altcoins will never reach their all-time highs. So whenever the altcoins at around like in their middle of the previous all-time highs, I take my gains. If I invest in that project, I'm taking my gains and walking away. I don't care. There will be more trades, and I'm not going to be that guy who's just like, oh my god, did you see Pepe coin? Like Pepe, like, I don't know, thousands % in gains you could make if you wouldn't sell that. No, I don't care. I don't care. Taking my money, and that's it. For example, I had 2 trades during the Christmas, and I'm in a loss. During the Christmas, I saw those coins that I invested, 2 coins that made like from 100 and 120% profits. And I was like, nope, I'm not gonna sell it. I'm gonna turn myself into that hodl character, and I'm gonna hold it like everyone else. And what it did? Absolutely nothing. I gave everything back. So, but I'm breaking even right now. So still, it's still good idea to be involved in the project, because if the altcoin season starts playing out, who knows what the future could bring us. All right. All right. RSR. According to your experience in trading the markets for the last year, do you think that altcoins will break there? Well, good question, because I'm investing in some of those altcoins and I'm in a loss on some of them, and I see that I don't know what needs to happen for them to reach all-time highs. Because imagine this, if they're gonna reach their all-time highs, those altcoins, for example this one, all right, if we're at our lows and we're waiting for their all-time highs, and when I'm announcing the distance between all-time high territories and the price right now, so like what 5,000%, it looks real? No, it's not. So always secure your gains when you're like reaching, I don't know, probably somewhere that key levels of those massive resistance zones. So what are my expectations on, first of all? All right, what do we see? Simple technical analysis at around, or in general, let's just take a whole chunk with my Fibonacci's. Nope. All right. We are forming, if I'm connecting the previous highs with this trend line, those previous tops, higher low on the daily time frame. It's a little bit choppy, but still the money flow tries to rise up. But also, first comes market structure, then I'm looking on the indicators. So if the market structure is telling me that we are forming something, or if I'm gonna try to connect everything, You guys giving me a very interesting task to analyze very choppy coins. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna pretend that I'm an expert. I'm just trying to connect the previous lows and previous highs. And what do I see? If according to patterns, those trend lines, so it's like, what? There's a probability to see this price level, and or eventually we're gonna go down. Zero thoughts on this one. Where clearly, of course, this is bearish, the rising wedge pattern, but who knows, maybe we're gonna break this descending trend. I'm gonna move to the upside, retest, boom, 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 boom. I have zero thoughts on this one. Zero thoughts. It looks choppy, but it respected like 200 EMA right now, flipping above this 50-day moving average, and we'll see. But of course, on the lower time frame, we have some supply here, so keep your eyes on this descending trend. After a clean breakout, who knows, maybe this rising wedge pattern is invalid, and we can see a big movement to the upside, or we're gonna see a rejection, who knows. So the money flow doesn't look clear, market structure doesn't look clear. Zero thoughts, sorry for that. Gold, I gave you gold on my 4-hour time frame. Of course, I'm not gonna analyze gold. I gave you the gold when we were right here, that there's a probability of retest another flag. Oh yeah, when we gonna, let me just 2-hour time frame. I gave you the goal after this breakout to retest this impulsive movements gap or demand zone, you can say that, and we already retested the previous like $2,757 per gold. So yeah, after a clean breakout, and this of course ascending trend line works. So I gave you that around here, like what's the free analysis. Always like join in my Telegram group. It's absolutely free. Whenever there is a hot trade or a hot trading analysis, you'll be the first to know. Docs. All right, we're talking about gold right now, so bear with me. So yeah, 50-day moving average is looking strong, works as a support at this point on gold. Yeah, we can easily retest and compress inside this pattern together, connected with the 50-day moving average, and then boom. Of course, simple supply and demand. I have to jump on the 1-hour time frame, but still, gold looks decent on a daily and a 4-hour time frame, because look at the past. Beautifully, even those simple patterns on gold works. When I was trying to scalp and swing gold on the lower time frame based on like simple supply, demand, Fibonacci levels in the past, of course, I abandoned gold, as I mentioned you before. We're gonna jump into a gold in the near future, most definitely, because I'm not gonna trade crypto coins during the bear market. Of course, I'm gonna jump into a gold back again. So look, beautiful ascending trend line, ascending triangle pattern. Clean breakout, movement to the upside, retested beautifully, connected with this let's just say 50-day moving average that works as a support, and went all the way to the downside form. And I didn't announce this because I was like, I'm not gonna announce this descending channel. Of course, you see some similarities with those descending channels on Bitcoin. It's the same thing. After a clean breakout, of course, a lot of volatility, because a lot of retail traders are looking at exactly the same thing. Boom, clean breakout, retested again, 50-day moving average, and then shredded, absolutely shredded. So right now, gold is also compressing and squeezing inside some kind of bull flag, or should I say ascending triangle pattern. And after a clean breakout, we can see another rally on the gold. So I have no idea how much gold could last. I mean, in general, I have no idea, but according to this, the whole situation in the world, war and everything, we know that the gold is, everyone is investing in gold, and everything becomes bullish and more bullish on gold. So we'll see. But eventually, at some point, one day, I believe, I'm not going to be that guy, but I do believe that there's going to be a massive crash, because everything, stocks, gold, everything, that's their all-time high territories. So these are my simple thoughts. These are my just simple thoughts. And look, gold, the money flow, because it's super choppy at around here at this candle, boom, just shredded to the upside. Of course, I'm gonna zoom in. Sorry for that. Even on a lower time frame, at around here, boom, movement to the upside. So yeah. So let's jump back into a Bitcoin. Let's just see what the Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing, because we're talking about like what? How long? 15 minutes? This whole live stream had to be about gold. I mean, about the Bitcoin, and yeah, it's digital gold, not gold. It had to be about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So for those who join it, haven't seen it, full live stream. So my expectations, I would love to see some small pullback again on Bitcoin. Where's my... I would love to see some kind of pullback. Simple, smart money, whatever strategy, blah, blah, blah. Change of character, break of structure, broke again. Low, higher lows, movement to the upside. And if this bullish movement continues, yeah, a retest at around this 75, 76, it is a possible scenario. But when there's a bullish scenario, there is a bearish scenario always. So retest at around the bearish scenario. I don't want to see nothing but bearish, because I cannot see anything bearish right now. I cannot see, but still there's a trying to look at the bearish scenario. The one bearish scenario, it's that this 50-day moving average. This will work as a support. I'm very confident in this one. This will definitely gonna work as a support after this pullback. But if we're gonna go above, I mean below this potential support, then we're gonna start retesting. This is just a simple support resistance strategy based on those EMAs. So they work. Look at the past, backtest, and whatever. So after this breakdown, again, we can retest even lower price. So of course, elections, everything, let's just wait for the Bitcoin to settle down and form another, I don't know, maybe after this pullback, if we're gonna of course, it looks a little bit messy, so let me just quickly delete that. After this pullback, or there will be no pullback, who knows, boom, straight God candle, I don't know. So I'm gonna try to catch this demand zone. We will not gonna create a lower low, we're gonna create a higher low, and then, so this is my scenario, bullish one. If we're gonna get if you're gonna trade Bitcoin, if you're gonna get stepped out, you're gonna get stepped out. This is normal. This is trading. So probabilities, no predictions. Of course, the money flow is still rising up. On those big coins on Bitcoin and Ethereum, the money flow looks so strong and big that to identify something based on the money flow, what's falling, what is not, because it's a little bit hard. Yeah, it's a little bit hard based on this indicator. So yeah, these are my expectations on Bitcoin. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, and simulating based on this potential another descending channel. Let's just call it, like, as I mentioned, your educational guest. With Ethereum, of course, I'm still on Ethereum trade, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna start securing my profits that I posted on my Telegram. We'll see. But yeah, the high probability is to retest $2,800. $2,800 per Ethereum. Yes, that's pretty much it. And after a clean breakout, maybe a shake off, movement to the downside. These are my expectations. Boom, clean breakout, shake off, and then I don't know. This golden zone and discounted zone just represents the potential. I mean, look at this. Look at these levels. Beautiful supply or resistance zone, and this golden zone at around those massive candles that we were experienced a drawdown. So yeah, these are my expectations on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I need to start doing more live videos. I like to interact with you. I like to What else do we have? Yeah, gold, AVAX. Your thoughts on Rune. Have zero RSR coin. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to even pronounce it. Let's go about Vchain. Vchain we discussed. Dogs. I'm not gonna analyze dogs because if you gonna go on those charts, I'm not gonna open because just do your own homework. Connect the previous highs and the lows. It still forms some kind of, I don't know, falling wedge squeezing pattern. And after a clean breakout, if you want to jump on that trade, you can. But it forms a massive descending, some kind of pattern or channel. I announced this on my Telegram channel. So you already seen this. So try to do your own homework. Please, ATH. First time I'm hearing about this one. All right. Is that one? You're talking about this one? The hell is that? Whoa. Is that on Binance? All right, we have on the Bybit. All right, if I'm gonna take the data from Binance, it looks, based on the market structure, it looks decent. Yeah, it looks decent. I had no. All right. All right. This one, right? 1 point. Learning something new every single day. All right, what is his all-time highs? Of course, $7. $7, 8.5. Yeah, there's on Kraken. Looks decent. How many people? Oh, 52,000 people are added to their favorite ones. 100. Well, yeah, it looks decent. It looks decent. Solid coin based on the community and everything. So I'm not gonna check how many subscribers it has on Twitter, but on X. But still on a daily time frame, it has a potential to rise back up from the dead. Because let's face it, I mean, from the previous highs, if this is all-time highs based on the data, all right, 8.5. And at this level, it went down at around negative, 83.29%. Well, I could say that it could be, if you believe in this project, if it has a solid community, and I believe it does. So the first retest, if the altcoin season is going to start kicking in, 1.7, it is a possible scenario. I don't know, shake off. Retest. I see the 200 EMA, of course, not enough information on these charts, but I see the 200 EMA is like fading, and retest 2 point, beautifully connected with the previous supply zone. I'm gonna use from the previous to the low. Somewhere around here. If I would like investing in this coin, I don't care if it's gonna reach their all-time highs or not. 100%, take 100%. According to the pattern, it looks bullish. According to the, let's just say, on the drawdown, the full drawdown that this coin is experiencing, negative 80%, that it's like enough. Of course, it can go down even lower, but in general speaking, yeah, it looks decent based on the market structure. Of course, can you trade this on leverage? Perpetual, yeah, you can trade this on leverage. So if I'm gonna, this is not a call. Hey, listen up. This is not a call. It's not a call. For example, I'm gonna just make an example. How many percentage of movement would be if I would place, but like after this one, 13%. No. The stop losses looks decent, but I don't know those coins that has a liquidity. I don't know. I have to check on this on Bybit because there were some coins when I'm longing with just a small amount of leverage, but still got liquidated. I have some experience in the past, so I don't know. But still, oh, look at the money flows rise down from here, went down, and maybe now there is a time to rise back up. Huh? What do you think, chat? Drop me your thoughts. Just comment down below your thoughts if you're watching this. You're still watching this? 287 people, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's like views. 25 already. Chat rate, all right. First time I'm looking on the charts. What is going on in my live video? So yeah. These are my expectations, but yeah, no need to thank me, AD. But remember, if we're gonna go down, we're gonna go down. And we're gonna retest the previous lows. So you are like investing in this project, or you want to trade because you see the nice solid trading opportunity? So this is my question. If you're an investor and you invested at around here, so sucks to be you, but no, it's not. So yeah, beautifully formed ascending triangle pattern. After a clean breakout, we can see some beautiful movements to the upside. Beautiful and sweet gains could be made on this one. Yeah, what is up with Ethereum right now? 20. That was my first target point, and a small one, 1-to-1. Just reward yourself. Oh, you're an investor, so yeah. All right, guys. Bitcoin, waiting for some kind of pullback. I don't know. Maybe it's gonna run all the way to the upside to that sweet target point at around $75,000 per Bitcoin. Ethereum, this is a Bitcoin. Again, this is my expectation on Bitcoin. And Ethereum still inside, squeezing and compressing inside this ascending triangle pattern. We'll see if it plays out. We'll see. So yeah, so this is my second live. Thank you for those who joined. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do more live videos. Another video is coming up this week about divergence trading, so I'm gonna expose all of those indicators that has the best accuracy having to trade those, I don't know, potential divergence, that trading strategy. For example, here, look. Of course, this is not like divergence, but still you can identify from those from those bottoms with the money flows rising up. There's a probability to see a movement to the upside after the money flow is rising up. So you can explore by yourself. Look at the RSI or like MACDAs, all those indicators, and you can explore by yourself and backtest and find what works for you. I mean, you can find your own indicator. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you next one. Thank you for joining my live, the second one.